Hi and welcome to my video. My name is Christina. As you can see, I started my day with a little workout routine from Pamela Rive. It was the 15-minute booty workout. After that, I went downstairs to the kitchen and got myself a celery juice.
But I know just what you are. Seems like you're a type to be on the floor. You're looking very kind of clean, the baddest thing I've ever seen. You're shining bright as crystal, moving like a twister.
So what I started to do is to drink celery juice first thing in the morning. And as you saw, I didn't juice it right now. I juiced it yesterday. So I usually juice like 5 whole celery things and I put it in the refrigerator because I can't be bothered to do it every morning and to clean the whole thing. It works just fine. The only thing I don't like is that it's cold when I drink it because I chug it because I cannot stand to just sip on it. And there's my dad. So I'll just drink it.
I'm swaying to the hits, boy, loving every disco.
Okay, so I will just quickly apply my makeup before I start working because we do team calls and stuff, so I want to look my best. Also, I have a problem. I finished filming my wardrobe declutter yesterday, so that video went up on Monday. But I have my stuff here since I finished up a bit later yesterday. I have to deal with that, but it isn't ideal that it is right under my nose since I have allergies and so I feel it in my nose and I might have to move them so I don't start sneezing the whole day. But now I really have to start working. I will call my colleague and we will continue where we left off on Friday. So right now it's 10:50 and I made myself beautiful breakfast. So I'm going to enjoy this. I have to eat it in 10 minutes because I have an appointment or a meeting at 11. I have been working with my colleagues since 8:30. And now I'm gonna eat. So see you later. So it's 2:30 and I just made lunch. I made a lentil soup I'm going to show you. It doesn't look as yummy as it is. However, it tastes really good. But a couple of ingredients were missing. Usually I put potatoes in there. Usually I have mushroom spice and all of that stuff. And no, I didn't. However, but I will still enjoy my meal. And after that I will do the thumbnail for my wardrobe declutter and put it online so that it is ready when my video goes live, and then I will continue working probably until 6:30. Okay, so it's a couple of hours later and my mom asked me earlier today to bring down the Christmas decorations, which I will do now. They are here as well as here, and then there's the Christmas tree. So let's take the stuff and put it away. So I was also asked to bring this upstairs and to redistribute all of the stuff here. So I'm doing that as well. Okay, what I'm going to do next is throw all of this away and put this back where it belongs and get some bags where I can put in the clothes until I have the time to take photos of them and put them on my Vinted profile. I will link my profile down below in the description box, so if you're from Germany you can go on there. So as soon as I'm ready to take pictures and I have washed the clothes and stuff, I will put them on the shop, so if you're interested you can shop those clothes there. So after cleaning my room I had a shower. After that I decided to take out my journal and to journal a little bit. Actually I was scripting, so I was manifesting all of the things I want to come into my life. So yeah, that's how I ended the evening. I actually wrote like 8 pages or something. And that was the end of my productive day. So thank you for watching and give this video a like if you liked it, and don't forget to subscribe for more content. See you in my next one. Bye.